Today we're going to take a look at our new Ring floodlight camera. This is the wired version, and we're going to mount this outside just under our eaves over the garage. I wanted to kind of show you the box at first, and then we'll open it up and take a look. I'm excited to take a look at this. Here we go. We got the wired version, so we could wire it above our garage, just under our eaves, to keep an eye on our driveway. Looks like it has the LED bulbs, so you won't have to purchase bulbs anymore, or ever again, hopefully. Looks like this is the back plate. I mount that first. Okay. Looks like we have a user's guide and product information. Looks like it gives a wiring diagram and some other setup information there. Product info from Ring. Screwdriver. Protected by Ring sticker. And looks like some mounting hardware. Terrific, excited to install this, and there you go.